could EU sustainability regulation be under threat from American tariffs? EU regulations on sustainability, such as the Corporate Sustainability Due Diligence Directive and the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, are seen as a point of contention for Republican lawmakers due to perceived burdens on non-EU entities, especially major US-based corporations such as Marathon Petroleum and Valero. The US may see this perceived hindrance as a boon to their trade negotiation position on better tariff rates, with a possible small opening for the EU to offer US multinationals a further reprieve from strict sustainability regulations, as at present large US companies are expected to comply by the end of the decade. This all comes after the US imposed a 20% tariff on goods from the EU in response to what the US claims is a 39% tariff on US goods, despite the European Commission and WTO calculating monetary tariffs on US goods into Europe within the low to mid single-digit range. Despite this, the 20% tariff on EU goods that came as a part of a Liberation Day announcement did come with a number of exit ramps with negotiations in mind, such as the ability for the President to adjust tariffs if a trading partner reduces their duties or non-tariff barriers, such as the CSRD or CSDDD. Republican lawmakers may also attempt to undermine EU sustainability regulations through legislation, with Senator Bill Hagerty introducing the PROTECT Act in March, which largely prohibits any entity integral to US national interests from complying with any foreign sustainability due diligence regulations, specifically the CSDDD. However, there is movement on the European side. The European Commission has proposed to limit the number of companies required to prepare and publish individual sustainability reporting to those with more than 1,000 employees on average during the financial year, while also raising the revenue threshold for non-EU companies to 450 million euros generated in the EU from 150 million euros. Hopefully that gave some context as to